Hello, guys. I hope that it's not raining on you. And as of right now, in the morning of August 8th today, it is extremely cloudy and a very, very big chance of rain. However, in this video, I just wanted to show you something very cool. Are you ready to see this? It's my dirt bike. Yeah, this is my dirt bike. It's a KOX 110. And even on the front here, I added Michael Jordan sticker just to give it a little bit more appealing. And yeah, it's pretty much just the same. And of course, you got your kill switch, your starter, your clutch, your brake, your throttle, of course, and the gas tank. And then the shifter and the foot pads. So yeah, it's basically just a normal dirt bike that I've actually had this thing for 7 months now. I got this thing on Christmas Day last year in 2023. So I hope you really like my dirt bike, and I might even show a video of me driving it around. So, see you guys.